Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Razr 40 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box and we could see here that USB Type-C cable, the charger brick, and also let's check this paper box, the second one. So let's check and we could see here the protective case, and also what we got here. So also we got here the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.